Raising a new PO manually every time can be tedious at the least. But don't fret. Orderhive's Import POs feature provides the functionality to import purchase orders using an Excel file to record multiple purchase orders at once. To begin, first go to Purchases and click on Import. Clicking on Import will further let you download a sample template for importing. Click on Download Template. In the import template, you will have to fill in the details such as purchase order number. This allows you to enter any number which distinguishes and identifies each purchase order. Paid. Enter 0 if the PO is not paid, otherwise 1. Purchase date. Date you wish to set as PO date. Order note. It allows you to set the order note in case if you wish to specify any extra instructions. Supplier email. Supplier's email address to whom you are raising the purchase order. Warehouse name. Here, enter the warehouse in which the quantity is supposed to be received. Payment term indicates the number of days within which payment will be done. Product SKU. SKU of the items for which the PO is being created. Supplier SKU. In case you have not assigned the supplier SKU to the product for which you are raising the purchase order, then you can mention the SKU in the import sheet, which will automatically be assigned to the product in Orderhive. Product name. Enter the correct name of the product which is present in Orderhive. Buy price. Enter the cost, the buy price of the product. This will be saved on the product individually. Quantity ordered. Enter the amount of quantity ordered in the purchase order. Tax percent. Applies the tax percent in case if there is any. Product item note. In order to add any important note on PO. Order extra text. It indicates the extra text that you wish to add on the whole purchase order. Order extra discount. It indicates the extra discount that you wish to add on the whole purchase order. Shipping charge. Add the shipping charge if any. After you have filled in the details, import the sheet to Orderhive. The sheet can be imported by either dragging and dropping the file or by browsing the file from its location and then attaching it. Click on Import once the file is attached. You will receive a notification about the log file attached stating the success or failure of the sheet depending on the data entered in the sheet. That was easy, wasn't it? Importing POs in Orderhive can save you from so much hassle. If you have any questions, click on the chat icon below to speak to our product expert. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.